Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking your inventory right away. Open the main menu, go to BAG, and scan the item and KEY item pockets. That's where exp. Share shows up. If you don't find it there, make sure no Pokémon is holding it. Press menu, choose Pokémon, and inspect each creature's held item slot. Once done, note that exp. Share is not a store purchase in this game, so don't waste time looking in shops. Now you'll give the exp. Share to a Pokémon, pick a low-level or training target. Go to menu, Pokémon, pick the recipient, and choose Give. The item goes into the held item slot. In Fire Red, it works passively. Once held, it grants a portion of experience after battles even if that Pokémon did not participate. So keep the holder in your party, but not necessarily in battle. Make sure the holder isn't. Finally, test the setup by fighting a trainer or wild encounter. After each battle, you should see experience awarded both to participating Pokémon and a smaller share to the holder. Watch the experience bars to confirm. If that doesn't happen, reopen menu and verify the holder still has the exp. Share in its held item slot and make sure you didn't accidentally switch it. If problems persist, reload your save and retry a simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.